来到元拓建材集团的直播间，我是 Annie 陈淑君。我现在所在的位置是咱们元拓建材集团的自有展厅。我们是工程设备材料方案提供商，咱们的产品有脚手架、建筑模板、环保用品、不锈钢材料等等工程物资全品类。如果您正好需要工程物资类产品，记得关注我们哦。我们所有的产品都是厂家直供，品质保证，而且价格有绝对的竞争力。好啦，今天要跟大家来推荐的产品呢，就是咱们的钢制模板。让我们一起来到咱们钢模板的展厅，有请 Jason。
Hello, welcome to ADTO Live. I'm Johnson. I'm in charge of the Formwork system. Today, I introduce a new style Formwork system for you. Is this system we call TForm. It's very interesting. But I tell you, do you know what can concern, what most concern in construction project? Actually, it's two words. Safe and save. What means safe? We know. Safe first. Safety is first, right? Safety first. We will know. Everyone product in ADTO is keep your safety. Safety scaffolding, safety formwork, safety everything. Because I don't know, most important safety. But today we introduce the second word, save. What save? Save cost. Reduce your cost. Anything reduce cost is the keep your profit is the key words. This formwork system we call TForm. TForm is for or the vertical concrete block. In the construction project, we have two kinds of cost. The first one is direct cost. Direct cost is very known. Purchase the material, purchase the labor, purchase the everything is your cost first. And the second one, transport. Every material we need to transport, loading, transport, and store. Store is all the cost. So we must consider to reduce this cost in the purchase, in the transport, and the store. And the second one is the indirect cost. Indirect cost is like label. We using the label, the worker, and second and the efficient. Our aim is to let the formwork working no longer be a skilled labor worker. In current situation, in the formwork, we need a skilled labor. Because it's not easy to making the shape, and like all the formwork is to keep it safety, keep it strong, keep it the low capacity. This formwork suitable for use a kind of the formwork is the frame structure. As compared to the aluminum formwork, it's face to different project. This kind of project is like in the commercial building, like the office building. This kind of building and also workshop. This building is like a table. It's column, slabber, column, slabber. It's very flexible for use. So, but this kind of formwork, this kind of building has character is all the column and wall. He has, for example, the column in the foundation in the ground floor is bigger. One up to the up floor is smaller. Also, the core wall, shell wall is also can smaller. If you're using the traditional formwork, you must be dismantle all formwork and erect again. It wastes you more time. And also like the worker to work again. This formwork we design like this. You see here. This is just a hole. This style is not a new style. It's actually in the market. We can see many brands has this design, but we let this design more simple. Only using this color cooker to lock the formwork in this angle and adjust the size. Like all size can adjustable. This design, like you using one same dimension formwork to making different size the concrete part. And also, this here. This is already the standard panel. The standard panel, the height should be 3 meters and 1.2 meters. We just design a few the standard the dimension. Let the dimension all is standard, but using this standard panel, we can to pouring different shape, different dimensions concrete body. It's very important. You needn't to using different shape formwork for different the concrete body. This concrete body you can very flexible and very easy. You can in this way you can reduce the formwork purchase cost, reduce the labor for the working. And you see here, this is our clamp. This clamp to connect formwork one by one. In most of the traditional formwork, we're using the bolt. You wedge pin to connect it. Using this clamp, you can very easy to set up. Just using one hammer, or actually just using one hammer to lock it, and easy to dismantle. Our formwork has the big pressure, strength, the load capacity. The load capacity up to 90 kilonewton per square meter. It can meet most of the requirement in the concrete pouring. And another, this kind of the accessory design let you needed to make disposable materials. You know, in the traditional projected site, the many disposal the material let you waste your money. Waste the materials, you waste your money. And this the big one. It's not easy to be stolen, not easy to miss it. This structure is using a steel frame and the face we using plywood. Plywood we can it has a perfect surface in the concrete surface in plywood. But this plywood is not normal. We're using a kind of a polypropylene, the PP. The PP face the plywood. We can keep using reusable 40 times guarantee. And this also, like then the formwork is more light, not heavy. Of course, you know, heavy is we need it. We must be heavy. It needs the big pressure. It must be heavy. If the formwork is too light, you must have more density. It's okay. And also, for example, if maybe your project has 100 column and 100 linear meter wall, just you need 20 column formwork. It's enough. And then it's save more cost for you. And if you can fast to erection, fast to dismantle. So we can pour in one by one, faster and faster. Maybe somebody will say it's too heavy. Too heavy, you must be by crane. So we designed a wheel. Using a caster to move it from a side to another side. Move it like you walking is more easy. And all formwork, this can, and all panels can multiple use. Okay, as we know, in project building, the vertical and we have our horizontal. Horizontal is a slab, gender, beam. We have to design another system, TForm system. Come here. So we call TForm system. This is another system. It's two systems to using in the whole building project. This TForm is especially for the slab. This system we can use by all no need to crane. By hand header you can operation. It's very simple. This system just proper and panel. That's all. That's all. Very simple. Because we see simple is best, less is more. The first, this system erection is very faster. 100 square meter per day per one person. We can complete very fast. Compared to traditional slab formwork, this formwork we can let you the construction speed is high speed more. And this the key is here. You can see here. This is we call the drop head. Drop head is let you the panel is not a fixture. Why? Because in the traditional way, we must prepare 2 floor or 3 floor formwork. That because the concrete solidification, we needed at least 21 days. But we know the solidification after 3 days, actually the formwork, the slabber is you have enough the load capacity to working on the slab. But the support you cannot move it. In China, the construction the standard. If the span not more than 2 meters, the support span not more than 2 meters, you can remove the formwork. You can remove the formwork. It's okay. So we design this job head. The job head we can by a hammer, like thing we can dismantle the formwork. When dismantle the formwork, keep this prop not move. So 1 floor formwork panel is enough. So we can recycling use to the up floor to director. So as usually we supply 1 floor panel and 2 floor or 3 floor the support system. So it's reduced more the purchase cost and faster erection reduce your labor cost and easy to erection label your skilled labor cost. So we are all like the TForm, like this. We target is saved money for you. So it gets say I said the installer I say save. And this the load capacity is about we can height thickness the slab can up to 350 millimeter. And maybe somebody will say, what kind of slab we can do? Actually, in the most suitable is the post-tension slab. Post-tension slab we know is a flat slab. Flat slab, using this is very fast and very easy. But if you slab has been, it's the double beam or has some drop area, we design this drop head. The drop head lets that we can drop the panel or drop it here. Then we can have a space to make it beam, make it drop area. This is the solution. So this solution we can do every kind of slab. So this size, and also we have this kind of the filler to mix the gap. Actually this system is making the 90% area of your slab. It must have some smaller filler area. You must be using some material, for example, for the wooden or timber material to fix it. This kind of the size is in order to use all the standard panel to the different size, different dimensions. The project, everyone project is different. It's impossible in where all the same dimension in the project. So now this system we using this design is let you working become very easy and very faster. I think if you want to this the price we have in this Canton file, we have the big不好意思，就关于那个我们要接下来讲那个优惠政策是吧？ 不是，我们接下来是要讲优惠政策。Promotion the policy. If you're the order in the Canton file, the periods, we using the discount, the 2% discount up to the 100,000 contract, US dollar 100,000. If over 500,000 US dollar 500,000, the discount up to 5%. Okay, this is today I introduced this system for you. Thank you very much. And
Thank you, Jensen, for your professional introduction for the Formwork. We are Editor Group and we're a one-stop solution supplier of all construction materials. If you want to know more details, please leave your contact information, and we will contact with you at the first time. And if you want to know more details for more products for the construction, please watch us and focus on us. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.
thank you.